Hard starts. Infographics about people that had a hard start in life. How many South Korean children were adopted in South Korea in 1990? 1990, South Korea, there. 1,700. Adopted is how to say adopted. How many South Korean children were adopted by overseas parents in 1990? 2,400. South Korea has lots of abandoned babies because of the shame young unmarried mothers are made to feel. Abandoned and adopted. In 1990, the South Korean government became embarrassed at the number of children abandoned in South Korea. To prevent other countries knowing about the abandoned children, the government has made adoption harder. The same number of children are abandoned each year, but now they are forced into orphanages. Has the number of children adopted increased or decreased since 1990? Or decreased? When both parents went to work in different parts of China, how many countryside rural children were left behind for years in 2000? Left behind rural children. There, 20 million. 20 million children not seeing their adults for months, their parents for months. When both parents went to work in different parts of China, how many rural children were left behind for years in 2010? 2010 rural. 60 million. How many city urban children were left behind in 2000? Urban and rural. Urban. Or just urban, like 2 million. How many urban children were left behind in 2010? 2010 urban. Maybe 10 million. How many children migrated with their parents in 2010? Migrant children. Oh, that one. So that's 30 million. 30 million went with their parents to another part of China. What percentage of children in China are left behind when their parents move to find work? Well, the ones that went with them and the ones that went left behind. So it's like 70% left behind. Are the left behind children mostly in the northwest or northeast, southwest or southeast? Left behind children, there, the darkest colours. There. Well, it's southeast. Babies abandoned by their family are adopted or sent to orphanages. Countryside is called rural. City is called urban. Good. Press like if you like my videos. Press subscribe to get more of my videos. There's my card. I work in Hong Kong. If you're in Hong Kong and your mum wants me to come and help you with your maths and science, then my number is 980-68342. If you're not in Hong Kong and you need help with your maths and science, your mum should get in touch via goodluckgaryhk@gmail.com, and I can help with maths, science, GCSE, IB, HSC and SATs. Bye!